This one, Madison. Who that is? Stand up, Madison. Next one.
The green one.
All right.
I call it outside.
I'll take the inside.
All right. You've never seen these restraints before, Mike. Ready?
No, I have. What?
And then there's the middle.
Like that.
It goes like that.
The Carowinds one doesn't have these.
There you go, Mike. Look.
It's all yours. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Whoa. They're getting like an extreme swing.
How are they doing that?
You gotta get it, you gotta give it motion. Look what they're doing. It's like a swing, a seesaw. Wow. How are they doing that?
Wait, Mike, move.
No, you're doing it too quick. You gotta do it in motion, like.
Oh, they're rotating.
That's amazing.
I don't know how. Oh, get that. Like, keep going. I don't know how to do that.
We had it. Oh my god, look how close they're getting to it.
Come around with a cutter. Is this one undone?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Wait, dude, this will not.
You gotta squeeze the
it won't
red
go.
tag.
There we go. Jeez.